Hi, I'm Bennett Fitch.
And I'm Paul Farless.
And we're here for another Nori unboxing. Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing a product by Perma. So Perma, they make single point lubricators. They have a whole variety of products. You may have heard of Classic or Nova, Flex or STAR VARIO. This is in fact a product of the STAR VARIO family for long range or LoRa. So that's a single point lubricator.
People call them auto greasers, auto lubers, single point lubricators, but these long range single point lubricators are really going to start changing the game.
Okay, so before we get too excited about what this unique product is here, let's describe where you might see these in plant environments.
Okay, yeah, so out of all the plants that I've been to, you often see them on long conveyors, inaccessible areas that may pose a safety risk to actually access.
So it's not really intended for every loop point, but it's definitely necessary for several places where there could be those safety concerns.
Oh yeah, yeah. And these are very reliable. You can set them to different frequencies and intervals.
Just like we talk about in our trainings, the importance of getting the right lubricant, the right amount, the right frequency, all that is important when it comes to handling bearings effectively or other loop points. So this may not just be bearings,
but it could be anything from any greased application, so electric motors, bearings, greased gearing, greased pumps.
So the main product, of course, in terms of the single point lubricator is this right here, which we'll assemble in a second. But of course, there's a number of other things here.
Oh yeah.
And so we're looking at some ways to help connect this device along with several others, how many you might need, to a single place where they can then be communicated through a cell network. So this LoRa long range can connect to a gateway, and the gateway is going to be mounted anywhere in the facility where it's easy for them to connect to.
And the good thing about the gateway is that now we can start transmitting through walls and hard to access areas, so you never have that cutoff in connection.
Okay, so let's talk about what you might do with that data afterwards. First, let's focus on the single point lubricator. So we have a few pieces here.
So this is the drive. Obviously you have the LCD screen here, and you can set your time on and off. It's also got these QR codes on here, if you can kind of see it right there. Now, the important thing about these QR codes and having these long-range connectable devices is you can actually scan these QR codes, put them into the system, and that is how it's talking back and forth to your mobile device or your computer network.
So let's get one of these assembled and see how it looks like on a bearing that we have over here.
Absolutely.
Okay, so as you can tell, we just got set up here in a matter of a minute or two. Paul, can you tell me a little bit about what you just did here?
Yeah, so like you said, quick setup. This is typically how you would see a single point lubricator actually set up. We can also remote mount these systems like this. This can be anywhere from 60 cc's to 500 cc's. So at the top here, I actually set it to grease on a 6-month schedule. I set it to 120 cc, which is what this cartridge is, or the cup. And these blinking green lights that you see is actually a 360 degree LED indicator that tells you if it's working properly or working improperly.
So how about now we just get the app out and we'll do a quick scan to see how easy this is to connect.
So this is the Perma Connect app right here, which is the management app through Perma. I've actually built a example line to go through with this QR code. I went in here and just built line number 1, conveyor number 1, which is the application unit. The lubrication point being specifically the drive bearing. Say you have a long conveyor, you'll have a drive-in drive bearing and a non-drive-in drive bearing, and then your tail bearings, right? So I go into this drive bearing right here, select that, add lubrication system. I select STAR VARIO Long Range right here. It says assemble lubrication system, which we've already done. I press OK. I will then scan the QR code. All right.
That's pretty quick.
It actually picks it up just like that. Then I go down in here and make sure that everything is connected and good to go. Just double checking everything real quick. Okay.
And you can do, after you scan that, and then you can start setting everything up about this point on wherever
you can set up the regreasing frequency, the scheduled months or weeks, what the size of cup that you have on there. So it's very specific, very accurate, and that's really what we want to go for when it comes to lubrication. And even further than that, I can scan this QR code again just to double check that everything's in there.
Oh, wow.
Successfully assigned to long range system. It's synchronizing all the data. Then you can press this button right here where it says start lubrication cycle. Do you want to switch the lubricator on?
So you can activate it and have
from a cell phone.
Okay.
So if, say, I'm in a shutdown at a plant, I install these single point lubricators, I go away from them and I say, okay, the line's back on for sure, everything's operating. I can go in and I can switch that on remotely. I think that is, you know, that really is a very, very unique type of thing.
It could be the equipment's really far away. A long range or LoRa here will connect to the gateway.
And when they talk about long range, I mean, we're 2 kilometers, 1.2 miles. That is a distance, you know, that's a really good distance.
And that gateway there can connect up to 2,000 of these.
2,000 end nodes, that is correct.
So this is the end node. Speaking of end node, this does have end-to-end encryption.
Yeah,
so when you're
so you have that security.
Correct. So when you're connecting to the gateway and it goes all the way to the cloud and then back to the application so you can see what's going on, all that's encrypted. If you're doing something on the application to adjust something here, or if you're over here messing with something that you need change, that also communicates back.
Yeah, so it's two-way.
Correct.
End to end. And you know, they talked about risk reduction a little bit. The thing about it is you don't want to over-grease or under-grease, so you have that risk reduction there, but you also have that reduction in, you know, safety instances because of those hard to access areas.
So risk reduction, we have the data security.
Yep.
We have safety that's being mitigated here by having something remote lubricated.
And I think one real major point to hit here is the variety of industries that these are found in. Yeah. Mining, aggregates, oil and gas.
That's a great example.
Yeah.
So between those aspects and even the easy servicing, getting data about the fill levels, being able to control it remotely, all that information, it's pretty nice. I mean, this is definitely a more revolutionized version of how to approach lubrication. We always talk about the right amount, the right frequency,
the rights of lubricants,
the right lubricants. So everything's been specified there. So
exactly.
Great product by Perma. If you're interested in learning more about this solution here with Perma STAR VARIO LoRa or any of their other products, definitely check out the link below. Hope you enjoyed this video and we hope to see you in the next unboxing.